came out of the bathroom. I was doing a poop. Anyway, I'm walking to my brother's room, and I come across the wild tiger. So guys, if the camera goes, because I've got the hiccups. But what isn't he just what close up view on him? Here he is. Sorry guys. Is okay, bye-bye? Yes! Oh, you stupid cat. Pose for the camera. Sorry guys. If I say stupid cat, I'm not being mean to him. It's just because I named him one of those nicknames. But look at this stupid cat. Don't worry, it's just a nickname that I've given him. Oh, you like the pink scrunchies? Oh, let's see. Look at this big kitty. Oh, what a yawn. Look at that big kitty. Oh, yes. Hello, hello. Do you want to headbutt? Oh, it's Karen. Oh, what a big kitty yawn. Watch it. Oh, he's just cleaning. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Boy, 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 boy. By the way, yeah, my bestie did give me this poster of a red panda. Anyway, goodbye.